Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Okay, now that you've done that, thank you very much. Let's continue with the video. Okay, today I'm going to create a subroutine called Scalar value. We're going to create a scalar here called value. It's going to be equal to like nothing. Okay, so that's our scalar value. I'm going to create another scalar here called value length. It's going to be scalar value length is equal to the length oh dear of the scalar value. So it's going to tell us what the length of this scalar value is. Okay, so I'm going to create a conditional here. So scalar if value length is greater than 0, we're going to do something. So if the length of value here is greater than 0, let's just make that look better. We're going to print my scalar has some value attached to it, new line, else print my scalar has no value attached to it, new line. Okay, now all we have to do is to call this subroutine. Call it with scalar value and save it and run the program. Okay, so the output here is my scalar has no value attached to it. So let's have a look at that. My scalar value, no value attached to it. Okay, let's put a name, Dave. Okay, let's run that. And it says here my scalar has some value attached to it because we put Dave in there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that was useful to you and you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. If you didn't, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment. Make sure you turn the bell icon on as well so you don't miss any future videos, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye-de-bye.